Welcome at EUROSATORY 2024. I'm Broutzos Ioannis, Director of Sales and Marketing of MEVACO SA. We are very glad to be here. This is the first time that MEVACO participates in this exhibition, which is one of the biggest and the most important shows for defense industry. We are very happy that we represent Greek industry in total. We sincerely also thank suppy for the invitation, all the hosting. MEVACO SA is a fully Greek-owned company, member of the Athens Stock Exchange since 1999. We are very proud to be part of the global supply chain of many important defense companies around the world. We are able to build anything that has to do with metal. Our company has three main sectors, which is the civil sector, the energy sector, and of course the defense sector. That is the main reason that we are here today. And we are hoping that this growth is going to be succeeded and followed in the past years, and that we are going to be in the position of be part of our clients' needs and to be able to support them accordingly. So thank you very much for your attention and have a nice show. Thank you.